Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Easy English, English for Beginners. My name is Marco. I am your English friend. I am your English coach, and today, I am very happy you are here. If you are listening to this podcast, if you are watching this video, you are doing something good for your life. Learning English is not easy, but you are here. You are trying, and that is very important. In this episode, we will practice real English, English that people use every day, English for real life. No difficult words, no fast talking, only clear, calm, simple English. You do not need to understand everything. Just relax. Just listen. You will hear sentences many times. You will repeat. You will speak. And slowly, very slowly, your English will grow. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin. Many English learners feel nervous. They think, I am not good at English. My English is bad. I am afraid to speak. Let me tell you something important. You do not need perfect English. You only need clear English. People do not want perfect grammar. People want to understand you. Even native speakers make mistakes every day, all the time. So please remember this. I am learning English. I am improving every day. It is okay to make mistakes. Say it again. I am learning English. I am improving every day. It is okay to make mistakes. Good. Very good. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. If you listen every day, if you repeat every day, your brain will learn English naturally, just like a child learns a language. So today, do not study, Kia. Do not think too much. Just listen. Just repeat. Just enjoy. Now, let me tell you how to use this episode. Step 1. Listening first. Just listen. You can listen while walking, while cooking, while resting. Do not stop the video. Do not worry about understanding everything. Your brain is learning. Host. Step 2. Repeating aloud when you hear this sound. You repeat the sentence. Say it out loud. Not in your head. Your mouth needs practice. Your tongue needs practice, even if you are alone. Even if you feel shy. Speak. Host. Step 3. Shadowing. Shadowing means you speak with me. I speak. You speak at the same time. Do not stop. Do not think. Just follow my voice. Host. If you do this every day, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, your English will become smooth. Your confidence will grow. Now, start the main lesson. Imagine this situation. You see someone on the street. You know this person, but you do not see them every day. What do you say? Listen carefully. Hi, how's it going? Again. Hi, how's it going? One more time. Hi. How's it going? Good. How's it going means, how are you? It is friendly. It is natural. People use it every day. You can answer like this. I'm good. Thanks. I'm doing well. Not bad. Repeat after me. I'm good. Thanks. Doing well. Not bad. Now speak with me. How's it going? Today you learned, how's it going means, how are you? Simple. Friendly. Natural. Very good. Now, let's talk about places. Listen. Host. Is there cave? One more time. Is there Akov around here? Around here means close to this place, not far, near you. Listen. Is there a bank around here? Repeat with me. Is there a bank around here? Is there a bathroom around here? Is there a bus stop around here? Around here equals near this place. You are doing great. Sometimes. One more time. I'm in a bit of a hurry. In a bit of a hurry means you are moving fast. You do not have much time. Listen. I can't talk now. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Sorry. I'm in a bit of a hurry. In a bit of a hurry equals busy. No time. Excellent. Let's stop here for a moment. Take a deep breath. Relax. You listened. You spoke English. That is success.